The Apple iPhone SE4, rumored to launch in 2024, is said to have an iPhone 14-like design. Now we hear that the iPhone SE4 will also use the iPhone 14's battery. This information comes from Mac Rumors, who claimed the prototype of the iPhone SE4 having device identifier D59 we seen equipped with Li-ion batteries bearing model code A2863, and that's the same battery used for the iPhone 14, having a capacity of 3279 mAh. The source claims that the internal design documentation for the iPhone SE4 also corroborates this. If Apple proceeds with this battery for the iPhone SE4, it will be an increase of 1261 mAh over the iPhone SE3 cell. However, it's worth noting that this information for the pre-production units and plans could always change, thus giving us something different from what the rumors had us believe. Previous rumors claimed the iPhone SE4 would pack on OLED display source from PoE, making it the first SE model to switch from LCD. It's also said to feature an action button and a USB-C port. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.